Hey guys, so if you play Kingshot, I'm going to show you how to get a modded version for iOS and Android. So let me just open it up, and as you can see, I'm poor, but in the mod menu I can turn on unlimited gems. So I just enabled that right here. So let's see if the gems go up. So as you can see, currently I don't have a lot, but let's see what happens, guys. Do the gems start increasing or not? So let's see what happens, and hopefully we do see an increase. So yeah, let's see what we get. I'm not gonna get upset. So yeah, look at that, guys. It's going up like crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this modded version for your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let me just get right into the tutorial. So first thing we're gonna do is go to the website tweakmod.com. So now what I want you to do is just type in Kingshot, and you should see it. So just go ahead and press install, and before the mod downloads there is going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store, but I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so it shouldn't take that long. So yeah, that's how to get the Kingshot hack for your device. It's super insane, guys, and this totally works. So let's just give it a second here for this to go ahead and load up. As you can see, so yeah, basically we just need to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, it says missing files, so you just want to pick 2 of them. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so it's a game, so I could do that. Free Cell Classic card game, you gotta search something up. So just do 2 of them, guys. Underdog Fantasy, down run for 30 seconds. So I'll see you later, but that's how I get the modded version. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, bro.